Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Java static keyword. So the static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. So we can apply static keyword with variables, methods, blocks and nested classes. So the static keyword belongs to the class than an instance of the class. The static can be variable, also known as class variable, method, also known as a class method, block or nested class. So the Java static variable, also known as class variable, nested class, method, also known as class method, and block, Java static. So if you declare any variable as static, it is known as a static variable. The static variable can be used to refer to the common property of all objects, which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name of employees, college name of students, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. Advantages of static variable: it makes your program memory efficient, that is, it saves memory. So understanding the problem without static variable: class student, int roll number, string name, string college equal to its, etc. Suppose there are 500 students in the college, and now all the instance data members will get memory each time when the object is created. So all students have its unique roll number and name. So instance data member is good in such case. Here college refers to the common property of all objects, and if we make it static, this field will get the memory only once. Java static property is shared to all objects. Example of static variable: Java program to demonstrate the use of static variable. Class student, int roll number, instance variable, string name, static string college its, static variable, constructor, student int r, string n, roll number equal to r, name equal to n, method to display the values, void display system.out.println roll number, name, college. Test class to show the values of objects. Public class test static variable 1, public static void main string args, student s1 equal to new student 111 current, and student s2 equal to new student 222 array. And we can change the college of all objects by the single line of code. Student.college equal to bb.dit, s1.display, s2.display. Output 111 Karen its, 222 Aryan its. College its, class area, stack memory s1 s2, id equal to 222, name equal to Aryan, id equal to 111, name equal to current, heap memory. So program of the counter without a static variable. So in this example, we have created an instance variable named count, which is incremented in the constructor. So since instance variable gets the memory at the time of object creation, each object will have the copy of the instance variable. And if it is incremented, it won't reflect other objects. So each object will have the value 1 in the count variable. Java program to demonstrate the use of an instance variable, which get memory each time when we create an object of the class. Class counter int count equal to 0 will get memory each time when the instance is created. Counter plus plus incrementing value system.out.println count. Public static void main string args, then creating objects counter c1 equal to new counter, counter c2 equal to new counter, and counter c3 equal to new counter, and output 1 1 1. So program of counter by static variable. So as we have mentioned, static variable will get the memory only once, and if any object changes the value of the static variable, it will retain its value. Java program to illustrate the use of static variable, which is shared with all objects. Class counter2 static int count equal to 0 will get memory only once and retain its value. Counter2 count plus plus incrementing the value of static variable system.out.println count. Public static void main string args creating objects counter 2 c1 equal to new counter 2, counter 2 c2 equal to new counter 2, counter 2 c3 equal to new counter 2. Output 1 2 3. Java static method. So if you apply static keyword with any method, it is known as static method. A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of a class, and a static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. A static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. So this was a brief discussion on Java static method, and we will be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.